Hello friends. Welcome to our channel, Magnum Education Buzz. Let's start the video.
Hello kids. Welcome to our channel, Magnum Education Buzz. Today, we'll learn 3-letter words, easy, short, and fun. Let's start together. Are you ready? 1. C-A-T, cat. 1. C-A-T, cat. 2. D-O-G, dog. 2. D-O-G, dog. 3. S-U-N, sun. 3. S-U-N, sun. 4. H-A-T, hat. 4. H-A-T, hat. 5. P-E-N, pen. 5. P-E-N, pen. 6. B-A-G, bag. 6. B-A-G, bag. 7. C-U-P, cup. 7. C-U-P, cup. 8. T-O-Y, toy. 8. T-O-Y, toy. 9. C-A-R, car. 9. C-A-R, car. 10. B-E-D, bed. 10. B-E-D, bed. 11. B-O-X, box. 11. B-O-X, box. 12. F-O-X, fox. 12. F-O-X, fox. 13. P-I-G, pig. 13. P-I-G, pig. 14. B-A-T, bat. 14. B-A-T, bat. 15. J-A-M, jam. 15. J-A-M, jam. 16. M-A-P, map. 16. M-A-P, map. 17. E-G-G, egg. 17. E-G-G, egg. 18. F-A-N, fan. 18. F-A-N, fan. 19. H-E-N, hen. 19. H-E-N, hen. 20. N-E-T, net. 20. N-E-T, net.
Please like the video and subscribe for more. Please like the video and subscribe for more.